In this session, we'll be mainly focusing on what is sampling and quantization. Now, when we talk about image sampling and quantization, the word digitization comes into picture. The process of digitization involves mainly two different steps, sampling and quantization. Mainly, digitization is sampling plus quantization. Now, when we talk about image sampling, a digital sensor can only measure a limited number of samples at a discrete set of energy levels. Whereas, when we talk about quantization, it is the process of converting a continuous analog signal into a digital representation of this signal. So, to sum up, what we can say about sampling and quantization is a continuous model is convenient for some situations, but in other situations, it is more convenient to work with digital signals. Digital signals are the signals which have a discrete domain and range. This process of digitizing the domain is called sampling, and the process of digitizing the range is called quantization. So as you can see, these are the two different graphs for sampling and quantization. This is again an image for showing you the clear view of sampling. This is where we have divided the sampling into different levels, ranging from the darkest color to the brightest one. So in all, we need to remember that a digital image is always only an approximation of the real world scene. As you can see that we have two different images here. The first one is the actual image of the object, and the second one is the digitized image of that particular real world scene. Now, the resolution of digital image always depends upon two different parameters. The first one is the number of samples of the digital image, and the second one is the number of gray levels. Whereas the number of samples of the digital image is nothing but sampling. And when I talk about the number of gray levels, it refers to the process of quantization. Thus, the two methods of varying the quality of the images are spatial resolution and tonal resolution. Now, what exactly these two types of resolutions are? Spatial resolution, here the number of samples of digital image is changed as the power of 2, keeping the display area used for each image the same and maintaining a constant gray level. This pixel replication produces a checkerboard effect, which is particularly visible in images of low resolution. So this was spatial resolution. And when we talk about the tonal resolution, in this type of resolution, the quality of images is varied by decreasing the number of bits which are used to represent the number of gray levels in an image. So that's all about the two different types of resolution. Thank you.